Does the prevalence of teen substance abuse ring any alarm bells? Are we doing enough to prevent relapses and support sustained recovery? These questions prompt us to evaluate our approach to this issue, emphasizing the need for a holistic strategy. The first pillar of this approach is continuous counseling and support groups. Imagine a safe haven where adolescents can express their feelings, share their fears, and celebrate their victories. Professional counselors with their wealth of experience are the guiding light in this journey, offering direction and assistance. They aid in constructing sturdy coping mechanisms and fostering resilience. Alongside this, peer support groups act as a reminder that no one is alone in this journey, cultivating a sense of belonging and community. Next, we cannot overlook the pivotal role of family involvement. When parents and guardians step into the picture, they create a nurturing home environment that encourages progress. We need to provide them with adequate resources and education, equipping them to understand and tackle the hurdles their teens might encounter. This cooperative strategy strengthens familial bonds and lays a foundation of trust, a cornerstone in the recovery journey. Moreover, the deployment of relapse prevention programs is a significant step towards breaking the cycle of substance abuse. These programs aim to recognize triggers, devise coping strategies, and fortify resilience against potential pitfalls. By arming teens with the skills to navigate high-risk situations, we boost their ability to make informed decisions, thereby mitigating the risk of relapse. To sum it up, tackling teen substance abuse relapses calls for a comprehensive plan of action that marries ongoing counseling, family involvement, and relapse prevention programs. By pouring our efforts into these three key areas, we can build a robust support network. This network will nurture resilience and guide teens on their path to recovery, ensuring that they are not just survivors, but also thrivers in their journey.